Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. A couple of weeks ago I left for Europe to see my family and I had great plans to film for you some exciting footage in Europe. But those plans changed really quickly after I realized that Google locked me out of my YouTube account. Apparently when you leave USA and you try to log in elsewhere, that's a suspicious activity, and it took me a while to enter the account again. But that wasn't enough, and quickly after that my Apple computer's charging cord broke and I quickly ran out of the batteries in the computer. As you can imagine, in Europe the charging cables are completely different. They are also really expensive there. I compare the prices, it's like almost 50% more, and it has different plug and so on. So I chosen not to buy it there and just wait when I return back home. And I was waiting to film for you USA Tacoma video. My brother was buying equivalent in Europe, which is not Toyota Tacoma, they call it Toyota Hilux. So I was ready for filming that. And of course, as you can expect, that didn't happen either. The delivery became like 1 week late, so he took delivery of that brand new truck like 1 day after I left. Just unbelievable. Fortunately, visiting my parents was success. They were happy to see me and I spent some quality time with them. So I just wanted to let you know what happened. The plans were great to film and entertain you from Europe, but it all failed. Sorry for that. But I'm back and we will start making videos for you immediately again. So thank you for waiting for me. Some of you were worried. Everything's fine. Thank you for waiting for me, and I will catch you very soon in the next video. See ya.